Yo, what's up guys, it's me with another video, and today I am going to be playing those really weird noises. You're going to hear what it sounds like in real life, then you're going to hear what it sounds like on there, okay? So, let's start by making ee. So, here we go. Ee! Ee! How you doing, little boy or gal?
How are you doing, little boy or girl? How are you doing, little boy or girl?
This is a really good app.
This is a really good app.
This is a really good app that everybody should get called Vox. No, that's all wrong.
This is a really good app that everybody should get. RoboVox.
No, that's all wrong. This is a really good app called RoboVox, and everybody should get it because it's the best thing ever.
This is a really good app called RoboVox, and everybody should get it because it's the best thing ever.
Hi, how are you? TV is good, Xbox is good, gaming is good, phones are good, football is bad.
Hi, how are you? TV is good, Xbox is good, gaming is good, phones are good, football is bad. Hi, how are you? TV is good, Xbox is good, gaming is good, phones are good, football is bad. TV is good, Xbox is good, gaming is good, phones is good, football is bad. TV is good, Xbox is good, gaming is good, phones are good, football is bad.